Hey guys, it's Nitin here with the Ultimate Ebook Creator again, and in the previous videos I showed you step by step how easy it is to create ebooks for the Amazon Kindle. Now in this video I'm going to introduce you to a second powerful tool that comes complete with the Ultimate Ebook Creator. Now there's no point having an ebook creator if you don't have content, right? So you need to be able to organize and quickly access content. And so what I did was I created a professional database management system which I called the articles database. Okay, so that tool you can access from the Ultimate Ebook Creators tools menu, and then you click on the articles database link here. So that brings up this new screen, and let me just resize it so you guys can see it. Now you can switch backwards and forwards. They both of the screens float on top of each other, so you can go backwards and forwards. That's not a problem. Okay, so let me just show you this. Now this is an empty database, so what we're going to do is we're going to create some articles so I can show you the features, and then in the end I'm going to show you in a second video there is a really powerful feature which is called import articles, which allows you to import PLR articles. Okay, so that's in the second video, but the first video I'm just going to show you very quickly how easy it is to create content, okay, and how to organize, I should say organize content, not create. So I have a notepad beside me which is outside the recording area that you can't see, but it's going to provide all the content, so I don't need to waste your time. So the organizer allows you to create what we call categories and child categories, so that we can create a top level category. For example, let's call this recipes category. Okay, and under the recipes category we're going to have a child category called breakfast. So I'm going to create a child category called breakfast, and in the breakfast category I'm going to create an article. So this is the article section. You just right click and you say add article, and I'm just going to call it something like general info. Okay, you can give it some keywords as well if you want to. Let's just call it breakfast. I should spell it correctly, and click save. Okay, so now we can type in our article in this WYSIWYG editor, and I already have some, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy some of this stuff here. Okay, so that's the article selected and pasted in, and sometimes we might even want to save an image. So let's click on the image icon. I thought I had a really nice, oh there, this one here. It's kind of breakfasty, so let's pick that. So here you go, we've got an article, we've got an image going on here, and if you click back out here it even tells you the number of the word count, I should say, in this article. So sometimes that's really important where you're looking for an article and you're only looking for say 200 words or whatever, so you can search by this, and I'll show you the search feature in a second. So let's add our first recipe, and we're going to add a recipe called perfect scrambled eggs. So we're gonna put breakfast here. Now in the article section I'm just going to go ahead and take my content and paste it in here. So that's my second recipe, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an image. So right click, insert image, and I'm going to insert the same thing because it's scrambled eggs. Okay, now what you can do is you can take this and you can change the font. I like to keep everything Arial 12, and the reason for that is, let me just resize this so I can see this section here. Yeah, okay, so the size should be about the font should be Arial, and the size should be about 12. Okay, and you can also color the sections by clicking on this and selecting a maroon or something like that, and then we can even put in some bullet points. Okay, so we can format this nicely, and let's head this section as preparation and also make it look consistent. Okay, so now that we have general info, we have the scrambled eggs, and we'll enter one more recipe, add article, we'll call it the mushrooms, and you can add more if you want here. Okay, so here's our grilled mushrooms, and we'll add some text. So here's the article, and then you can go ahead and you can format this, you know, as you like. You know, we can say Arial 12 or something like that, and you can keep that going, and you can add as many as you want. So here I'm gonna add a child category called main meals, right? And as you can see, we're building up our articles in our database, and this is actually, all this stuff is in a real database. It's not on the file system, it's actually in a SQL database that is part of this product. So that's basically it. Now I have a few really neat features that I want to show you, and those are, I'm going to show you that in the next video, because this video is getting a little bit long. So in the next video I'm going to show you some of the security features of this. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.